I always communicate with the most well-known organizations where not everybody can have access to. I know a lot of professionals from different spheres abroad, for example, real estate brokers who work with sheikhs, because the amount of money that such people can invest in property, for example, in Dubai, is equal as rich people from Russia can. If I have such access to people abroad, for example, again, those who work on art market in the most famous auctions that are closed for the majority of people, why shouldn't I give such opportunities to clients who are abroad? I don't know the reason why not to do it, and so I really hope that my approach to life, my content, will be not only useful for the majority of people around the world, but also for those who want to work with me, who share my points of view, and who really need good investment offers for what I have already access. And you should know that in many situations, rich people can invest money not only in extremely big projects. So I have a lot of cases when extremely rich people chose to diversify their portfolio and to buy 10 items of property than one item, because you decrease risks, and it is more about diversifying your portfolio. And so if they buy it in sum, so the amount of money can be extremely high, but because of my access to such assets that are good in investment point of view, but that are not so expensive, so any person can buy not 10 property items of property, but one, but the quality will be the same, because it is like in a stock market. You have 100, you can buy 100 stocks of Apple, and you can buy one stock of Apple, but the quality of investment offer is the same, because sometimes the potential profit doesn't decrease when you buy 10 items but not one. So it depends on the situation. For example, we talk about one gemstone that can cost $10 million. The quality of this investment offer of this diamond and the quality of offers that can be the sum of different diamonds can be not the same. So one diamond that costs $10 million can be more profitable than like 50 diamonds that can cost less, and the amount of money that you put into these assets can be the same, like $10 million too, but the quality of these deals can be different. It is one situation, but sometimes if we talk, for example, in about like investment property or some kinds of diamonds or other gemstones can be equal. So it is really hard work to be like an investment advisor, and so you should understand that I can't tell you all details in one small video, but you should understand that any deal is unique, and you should think about the quality of investments, putting attention to the individual deal. So, but if we talk about my opportunities, some of deals, they don't minimize the quality of investments if they cost not a big range of money. And so that is why I will be very happy if you decided to work with me, to give me your like trust and become my client, because for me the quality of my work play essential role.